Hi there, I'm Liz. I'm on TikTok. My username is LizLele, LizLele, and I have 367,000 followers as of today. I started last October, October 19th. So I'm like 1 month shy of my anniversary doing it, and I've reached that many people. So what you want to do when you're trying to build your audience, right? So you got to think, what are you good at? What are you interested at? What can you talk about? What would somebody want to see you do? There's a bunch of different trends going on TikTok all the time. There's transitions. If you're really good at like video editing, transitions is going to blow up your account. There's a guy that I saw, his screen name is the Moody Foodie. He has a great setup where you could see him like chopping and doing his cooking. He went from 30K to 300,000 within like a month. So it really depends on what are you good at, right? So I didn't know. I was like, I don't fucking know. My Instagram never blew up. My YouTube never blew up. And I was like, but I kept hearing Gary Vee say, get on TikTok. There's a lot of opportunity there. You have a lot of organic reach, meaning you can go viral very easily. So do it. So I spent a lot of time kind of looking around at all the videos and stuff. And then I would just try stuff. I would put out like 10 videos a day, see what was kind of popping off. And the first thing that popped off for me was a video of like, I bought a plate of Chipotle rice, just the rice. And I made a video, because this was my food after work. For whatever fucking reason, it blew up. I think it got about 200,000 views. It didn't make any sense. I was like, what is happening? But sometimes when you have the right combination of like maybe certain hashtags or a certain viral song, it will propel your content forward, even if it doesn't make sense for it to go forward. That's the wonderful thing about TikTok, is that your stuff could just magically go viral. Um, so then I was like, okay, let me keep going. The next thing that I started talking about was lucid dreaming. I like woke up one day out of a lucid dream and I was like, oh, this would be a good topic to talk about. And I saw that only one guy had a video about it. So I started making videos about it, and my hashtag was how to lucid dream. And I just kept putting out videos, videos, videos. And then other people started putting out videos and their stuff would go viral. So I'm one of the original creators of that kind of trend, which is cool. And so I got my account to about maybe 30K, I want to say. And then the next thing I did was I was sitting in the tub and I'd been thinking about this idea for a long time. I was washing my hair and I was like, I put the hair on the side so it doesn't get stuck on the drain. I was like, how much fucking hair am I losing? Like, and every time I would be like, oh, I should just like collect it, or I should, I should figure this out, count it or whatever. And then um, once again, because of Gary Vee's influence, he was like, stop judging yourself, stop just thinking about stuff, start executing stuff. And I was like, you know what, I'm going to put it on tape. This will be a funny TikTok. I'm not going to judge myself. And boom, the shower hair challenge was born. So I put it on a piece of tape and I started counting it every single day. The shit went viral. Everybody that does it goes fucking viral. Like, people have hundreds of thousands of followers because of this trend. And the amazing thing is that once you lock onto a trend, like one girl that started doing it, she is more into singing, right? So she got featured on a radio station. Now she has videos about her songs. Like, you don't have to get stuck in whatever makes you viral. You can branch out. So now the next thing that I started doing was Liz narrates. So I would make a duet video where you have the original video and then your face kind of like talking about it. And every time I would see these duets where people would be like grimacing and making faces and shit, but they wouldn't like say anything positive or nice about the video for the most part. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to turn the sound down of the original video. I'm going to start talking about whatever the fuck I'm seeing, and people think I'm funny. So boom, another trend started for me. So those videos started to go viral. So you have to kind of evolve as a person, and you're going to stay niche, right? And stay in whatever you're interested in, or you're going to continue to evolve. I need to continue to evolve because otherwise I get bored. So now from the shower hair challenge, I was putting it on tape, etc., etc. I had like what looked like a hair extension. But now I was like, let me branch out, and now I'm going to make it into a wig. So now I have a wig block, and people are donating hair to me, and those videos are going viral. So I continue to evolve as a person, as a trend, as a trendsetter, because I like to challenge myself, and I like to make new content, and I don't like just the same old shit. So those are my tips. Let me recap. Is think about yourself. What are some things that you could share, that you could talk about, that you know about? It could be fucking plants, you know, and like, like stuff like that. Second thing is just fucking put out content. Put out 20 videos a day. Challenge yourself. Put out 20 videos every day, okay? Third, use hashtags, any of the popular hashtags that have like a fire sign or like a thumbs up sign. Those are like the viral ones. Use featured music. Go to viral on the music section and use any of the viral songs. Combine that in your video. You could even add a voiceover. Add different parts to your video. Like, people don't just want to see the same thing fucking the whole time. Like, show them different. Be like, okay, one clip here. Okay, another clip there. Clip. And make it like a montage video. People love shit like that. They want to see like a short movie. And just don't stop. Don't judge yourself. And let me know how it goes. If you have any questions, you could either contact me on TikTok over here. I'm very like, I check my phone a lot, so I'm here to help you if you need it. And I hope that helps, and thank you so much. Bye. Oh, do me a favor and like this video and follow me, all right? Bye.